I'm praying. Coffee. I mean, oh, now I'm saying I've seen so many coffee makers. Now I'm saying coffee maker. Let's redo that. I'm praying that there's a popcorn machine in here. If there's a popcorn machine in here, can we get, how many likes should we start off with? Let's get 500 likes. 500 likes if there's a popcorn machine in here. Okay, let's take. All right. Are you ready? Come closer. Come closer. Wait, hold on. Let me take this one off. Reveal time. Ready? 3, 2.
I'm trying to make it out, believe me, I am trying. Monday through the weekend.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Hey Marinos. It's me and my wife here on our YouTube channel. This is our first video ever and our first pallet ever, as you can see. So I know before this intro, I'm gonna put, I don't know if I'm gonna put it first or second, I'll figure it out later. But I did record when I first bought a pallet. Well, thought I was gonna buy a pallet. I thought I was gonna win it, but I ended up losing that one. But we still ended up getting another pallet, so that's good. But we ended up spending how much? $500 on this pallet. So let's see what's inside of it. So I did have to go get my handy dandy scissors and my jacket because it is a little cold here. We are in Illinois and this weather is stupid. But anyway, let's get down to this. This is why you're here. This is why you clicked on the video. So here, you want to start cutting the top off? I'll take off these. Doesn't matter.
Cut it.
So I did stop recording real quick just because everything was a little lopsided and I didn't want stuff to start falling around like that one. But it's okay. Should be good. I mean, it's return stuff. You want to come over here? I actually see a lot of kitchen stuff in here so far. But it did say electronics, so I'm hoping there's electronics in this box. Because this box looks pretty big. Oh, this one too, but what is this?
Oven?
Oven. Let's see. Oh, popcorn machine.
No way.
Wow. It's a popcorn machine. So there's actually just a lot of kitchen stuff in here. Like this slow juicer. What's this? Black Decker. Traditional 10-cut food processor. There's a lot of good stuff there. This is easy sell stuff.
What is it?
No way. Coffee maker. We just ordered one actually. But it's okay. And what's this? Oh, is there a whole bunch of them in here?
Is there? Or is it a water bottle?
Well, why is it so big? We'll have to see. We'll open it. We'll show you guys what's inside these. Just if you guys are curious. There's another coffee maker. Then there's this right here oven. Get up so you guys can see that. There. So yeah, that's pretty much it, as you can see. Now I'm gonna get it all situated. I'm gonna open some of the boxes that don't have a picture on it so you guys can see what's inside if you guys want to see. But so far this is pretty much what we got in this pallet. So these are 3 of the boxes that we're not sure what's inside. Well, that one, it says it's a popcorn maker, but we want to make sure. We're gonna go through everything individually though. We will show it. We're gonna put prices and everything. Ooh. I think so. We return it without a package, probably, yeah. Juicer, coffee maker. Pocket ones. A little. Okay. You could probably sell this for good. Hopefully it works. We're gonna try everything out too, so make sure everything works. I I really want to see the popcorn maker because I'm excited for that. Let's save that one for last. Now let's see what's inside this one. Moment of truth. Let's see. The like coffee maker. Coffee maker. That's nice.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Coffee maker. So hopefully this works. Hopefully this works. Now I'm kind of scared because this was not a coffee maker box. I hope they didn't put a coffee maker inside this popcorn machine. I'd be very upset. Moment of truth. I'm praying. Coffee. I mean, oh, now I'm saying I've seen so many coffee makers. Now I'm saying coffee maker. Let's redo that. I'm praying that there's a popcorn machine in here. If there's a popcorn machine in here, can we get, how many likes should we start off with? Let's get 500 likes. 500 likes if there's a popcorn machine in here. Okay, let's take. All right. You ready? Come closer. Come closer. Wait, hold on. Let me take this one off. Reveal time. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Yes! It's a popcorn maker! Yes! So, I just took out the popcorn maker. This thing is amazing. Oh my god, I'm so happy. This is selling for $200. No.
$159.
$159.
And here it's $2.99.
$2.99 on Amazon. So, yeah, we'll put prices and everything, so I won't even say prices. But this thing is looking clean.
New.
Oh. Wow. There's a lot of stuff in here. Alright, so we just did the prices for these three.
Oh, hold on. There's one more of those.
Hold on. So we got this one, the smart oven. How much was the smart oven for?
That or that?
Those.
That's $2.99. I think.
On Amazon, it's going for $2.99. This pasta maker is
$2.85.
$2.85.
That is, I think,
This oven
60
was like
something.
60, 63, 65. I could. This popcorn maker was how much?
$130 something.
$130 something. We'll put prices up. We're just letting you guys know right now. So yeah, we're gonna keep going, seeing what we find in these boxes and pricing them and showing you guys.
Yeah.
All right, let's continue.
Yay. Where are you?
This one is Cuisinart.
Wait, hold on.
Trying to find the barcode here.
Maybe at the bottom. Is it Cuisinart?
Yeah.
That's $177.99.
$177.99.
That's crazy.
This Cuisinart.
And they have 3,000 reviews, so people are probably buying these a lot.
Cool. My strong baby, go. Look at my strong, swole baby. So we just found it.
This is just different color.
Let's see if it focuses. Just a different color, but it's going for $2.89.
Yeah.
We'll try to figure out the right pricing just in case the color makes a difference. And
Yeah.
you gotta remember, we gotta make sure all these motherfuckers work. Oops. Sorry.
It's okay.
Oh my god, there's a lot of stuff we gotta go through. But it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
This is fun. This is
fun.
pretty fun.
Let's see.
What does that mean? This one is going for $263.
$259.
$259. $263. Which one?
The same thing.
Same thing.
Just with no bags,
Ah, okay.
I think.
So what's the final price on this?
That's $2.59.
$2.59 on Amazon.
This is great.
I know you guys are probably wondering, like, geez, why are you making her do all the hard work? She wanted to do this, guys.
Yeah, I like it.
She wanted to do this. So, don't come at me at the comments wondering why she's doing all the heavy lifting. And she's slow.
Wait, where? This one, where? Great.
All that work just to get $73. I'm just kidding, $73 is still
Something.
$73.
Yeah.
I ain't even complaining. But $73 on Amazon, so.
Yay.
Which one's this one? The
Oven.
Home Digital. Para mostrador. Let's go.
Okay. This little one. What is it? To make tea?
To make tea?
Yeah.
The art of tea. It's cuisine art. Oh, I think that's the
Cuisine art, $71.
$71 for this tea maker. This looks brand new.
Yeah, this brand new.
This is brand new. Doesn't even look open, so
Nope.
that's really good.
Yeah.
Really, really good.
Let me keep it.
So far, she wants to keep that. What do you need all this for? She wants to keep this popcorn maker.
Oh, this one is the same thing. So I'll just put it over there.
Oh, it's the exact same one?
Yeah.
How much is this one?
I think $2.89.
$2.89. Dang!
Wait, is it the same thing?
Let's go.
Hold on. This is smaller.
Which one?
This one.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see that.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, it's different. So I'll check
The pricing.
price.
Alright, so yeah, so the bottom one is a 13-inch with a preset function of 9, and this one is a preset function.
Did I take all this?
And this one is a 12-inch. And how much was it?
$2.29.
$2.29. Sweet.
Okay,
Sweet,
do I
sweet,
take
sweet,
other
sweet,
screenshots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3,
It's a mess.
yep, 9. Okay.
It's a mess. And we got other stuff in here too that didn't come from the pallet, like this grill.
Yeah,
Stuff that we're trying to get rid of. So yeah, we're gonna put all this stuff in our selling pages and everything.
Yep.
We'll leave links to everything in case anybody's interested in anything.
This one.
What is this?
35. Black Decker.
Traditional 10-cup food processor. How much was this going for?
35.
$35. Not bad. Not bad.
Nice.
Pretty cool.
Let me keep it. Oh, okay.
Can anybody tell me how many times in the comments? Please let me know how many times she said let me keep it.
Oh, let's
What is
see.
this one? Hamilton.
Coffee maker. See? Look.
Coffee maker.
Look. 63.
$63.
Nice.
Noise. 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 Okay. Let's go.
What is this? Coffee maker?
Coffee maker. Oh, this one looks nice.
Yeah.
This-
Come on.
They made this one look romantic with the black and red and the lady and the guy
Wow.
being all lovey-dovey.
190. 98.
$198. What
Nice.
is it? Touch Plus. Single serve brewing system.
This one's touch. Okay.
A lot of this stuff is like smart, like touch and everything.
Yeah.
I've been noticing that, like smart ovens and stuff.
'Cause we're living in 2020.
For real. Everything's changing. So we had forgotten that we opened this one because we were curious because we didn't know we
It's 125.
125?
Yeah.
Cool. Noise! Noise!
Noise.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Pretty cool.
Really, really cool.
Oh, Chewy, so swole. Alright.
This one.
What was this one?
It's I think it's
K-Cafe. It's probably a coffee maker. Probably another coffee maker. Do you guys want to see what's inside? Let's see what's inside. As soon as she finds the pricing.
No, sorry.
Let's see what's inside first, actually. I got the tape off now. It says it's a what?
This one, 174.
174. Let's see if it's it.
Brand
Oh
new.
yeah, brand stinking new. Noise.
Noise. Noise.
Oh yes. Wow, this is brand new in the box, in the original packaging. Wow, wowzers.
Wowza.
Alright. You're for real gonna be swole after this video. Not even gonna lie. Look at this stuff, man. This is amazing.
Look at this, making money.
We're
Look
done.
at this.
We're down to 3 boxes, I can say.
What's this?
Uh-oh.
Can I open it?
Yeah. Let's open.
Oh,
box
meat grinder.
Meat grinder?
Yeah.
Should
I
we
just
open
need a
it?
barcode.
Should we open it? Let's open it. Alright, you guys wanted to see the meat grinder. Here's the meat. Oh, there's still meat in there.
It's
This is
new.
brand
It's
new.
brand new.
Nice. It's just not in the original packaging, I don't think.
I think this is it.
Well, like
Original
the,
packaging. Nope.
like the inside, like the foam.
Oh.
It's okay though. So this meat grinder is going for $179 on Amazon. Cool.
148 on Amazon and 89 used on eBay.
For which one?
This slow juicer.
The slow juicer?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. So we are going to have to open this box. This is right over here. Unboxing. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Be careful.
Oh, actually, I found it.
What is it?
Microwave? Yes. It's new.
It's new?
Yeah, it's new.
Wow. Brand new microwave. What kind of microwave?
Amana?
A Mana for $235 on Amazon.
Oh yeah.
Nice, it's not focusing. Whatever. Did you find the price on this slow juicer? Yeah, right?
Yeah.
How much was that?
Oh, I forgot. Here. Oh yeah, here. 148 on Amazon and 89 on eBay.
Sweet. I don't know why this is not focusing, but oh, there it goes. But anyway, so I was recording the whole time, but I didn't have the freaking audio on, so I captured nothing I said. But
Yeah.
I can do it over for you guys. The mother of all ovens. And we pulled it out. We pulled it out. I don't know why it just turned dark. And it's the Smart Oven Air. Smart Oven Air. We looked it up.
Air fry. This
On
is
Amazon, it is going for $3.99. And this is brand new. The box isn't even open. This box looks clean. Clean. So just this item and this one here, that's our money back.
exactly.
And this is all possible profit.
Then keep them up.
So, as I was editing the video, I came across something. What we did. We forgot to record 2 items. And those items were... Which one's this one?
Coffee machine.
Coffee machine?
Mm-hmm.
For $2.76. What is it? The Nespresso. Okay, and
This one.
the K Elite, which goes for $138. So now that we have everything there, everything put on the video, the potential profit for everything is $3,170. Not too bad.
It's good.
I know. It's good. That is crazy. So from $500 for the pallet, we ended up getting 3,170 potentially.
Yeah.
Possibly in profit. But we will keep you guys updated on our sales and how everything goes. We will do vlogs on here too, so but continue watching the video for the outro. Thanks. Alright. So overall, this stuff, I don't know if you guys can see it right now. This stuff right here is everything we got. This was pretty cool. This is a fun experience. We haven't even like started selling. We can't wait to sell. But like unboxing everything and seeing what's inside the pallet was pretty fun.
Yeah.
What did you say? It was
I liked
cool.
it a lot.
So yeah, I guess this is it for this video. But we will be making more videos soon, hopefully. We're gonna be doing like unboxing. We can do mystery boxes, unboxing stuff. We'll do more pallets. We can show you guys how we sell this stuff, and yeah, this is pretty much it for right now. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share it, tell everybody that you liked this video, and so I don't know where I'm going with it. But please like this video. Share it, subscribe, and give it a thumbs up. Everything, do everything possible so our channel can grow.
Yeah.
We want our channel to grow. You want to say anything?
Giveaway.
Boy, if you don't get
Not yet.
Not yet. Not yet. We won't do giveaways yet. But I mean, if this video does good, I'm willing to give away that popcorn machine. I'm willing to give. It's brand new. But we gotta get likes first. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.
Bye.
believe me, I'm trying. Yeah, I'm trying. Believe me that I'm trying.